Good afternoon students, welcome back to online maths class. So in the previous class we have solved up to question number 7. So in today's class let us continue with the question number 8. The given inequalities are x plus y less than or equal to 9, and then second inequality it is y greater than x, and the third inequality it is x greater than or equal to 0. So let us go ahead with the solution. First we have to remove the inequality sign. 8 1. Remove the inequality sign and write the equal sign. X plus y, this is equals to 9. So for this we have to write the table. X, y. Now when x is 0, when x is 0 means it will be eliminated. We get y 9. When y is 0, we get x equal to 9. Take up another inequality, that is y which is equals to x. So I am removing the inequality sign and writing the equal sign. So now we will write the table for this. So x, y. When x is 0, y will also be 0. Then when x is 2, y will also be 2. When x equal to 6, when x equal to 6, and y will also be 6. So because y equal to x now, and the last one it is x greater than or equal to 0. If you remove the inequality sign, we get x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is nothing but the y axis. So with the help of this we have to go for the graph. Let us proceed with the graph. Yes, x, origin, x dash, and then y, origin, and then y dash. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. Similarly, on y axis 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So with the help of these two tables we have to plot the graph. The first point is 0, 9, x 0, y 9. So in between 8 and 10 we get the point 9, and then now x 9, y 0, it will be this point. We have to join these 2 points with the help of the dark line because it is a slack inequality. Both the sides we need to put the arrow mark and write the equation, which is, so here I will write x plus y, this is equals to 9. Then now we have to go for another equation, y equal to x, x 0, y 0. So one point is at the origin, then another point x 2, y 2, so somewhere here, and then x 6, y is also 6. So somewhere here we get. Now we have to join all these 3 points with the help of the dotted line because it is y greater than x. That is nothing but strict inequality. Let us join them with the dotted line. Yes, both the sides we need to put the arrow mark, and here we have to write y equal to x, y equal to x, and the last inequality it is x equal to 0, x greater than or equal to 0, remove the inequality sign, we get x equal to 0, that is nothing but the y axis. So here we have to go for the shading process. For this line we have to select a point 0, 0. So write that statement now. Select a point select a point 0 comma 0 and substitute 8 in the given inequality, and substitute it in the given inequality. In the given inequality, so consider the inequality now. X plus y less than or equal to 9. X and y both are 0 now, so it is 0 comma 0 means, so we have to substitute the values of x and y. 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 9. 0 plus 0, it is 0, less than or equal to 9, or 9 greater than 0, which is true. Which is true. Yes. Now another line which is passing through the origin. So in the previous class I have already told you, whenever the line is passing through the origin, we have to select either a point on the x-axis or a point on the y-axis. We are not supposed to take 0 comma 0 because it is already passing through the origin. So to analyze this, select a point on the x-axis or a point on the y-axis. So I will be taking this point now. What are the coordinates of this point? On y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. So it is going to be 0 comma 6. Select a point 0 comma 6 and substitute it in y greater than x. So here the value of x, it is 0, y it is 6. So that is 6 greater than 0. That is 6 greater than 0, which is true. So which is true. So for both the inequalities, the condition is true now. Andre towards the origin kade now ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, shade ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು, towards the origin region. For this line, it is towards the origin. Again, for this line, it is not towards the origin, it is towards 0 comma 6. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋ ರೀಜನ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. It is this one. So in case if it is false here, whenever we are taking 0 comma 6 and if it is false, we have to shade the region away from this point. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ನ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಈಗ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋ ರೀಜನ್ನ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಾವು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಐತಿಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ರೀಜನ್ ನಾವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇದರ್ 0 ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ the common region is going to be this portion. So this is going to be the solution region. The common shaded region is going to be the solution region. So we have to write a statement here. Therefore, the common shaded region is the solution region. So this is all about the question number 8. So note down this, and then we'll move on to the question number 9. Question number 9. The given inequalities are 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20 and x greater than or equal to 1, and the last inequality it is y greater than or equal to 2. So let us proceed with the solution. Remove the inequality sign. 5x plus 4y, this is equals to 20. So now for this we have to write the table. x, y. Now, when x is 0, it will be eliminated. We get 4y equal to 20 means y will be 5. Now, when y is 0, y is 0, it will be eliminated. What do we have? 5x equal to 20 means x equal to 4. So, these are the points now. And the next two inequalities are x greater than or equal to 1 and y greater than or equal to 2. Remove the inequality sign and write the equal sign. We get x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. X equal to 1 and then another equation which is y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. So, with the help of these we have to go for the graph. Let us proceed with the graph. So, x, O, this is y, x dash and it will be y dash. So, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, on y axis we need to have some values 2, 3, 4 and it is 5. So, now go for the first table 0 comma 5 x 0 y 5 x 0 y 5, it is this point. Now y 0 x 4, it will be this point. Join these two with the help of a dark line. Put the arrow mark on both the sides. Write the equation here 5x plus 4y which is equals to 20. Now we need to draw these two now. X equal to 1. X equal to 1 is a vertical line whereas y equal to 2 is a horizontal line. Let us draw x equal to 1. It is a line which is parallel to y axis. So, this is x equal to 1 now. So, x equal to 1. Now, we have to draw another line, that is y equal to 2 is a horizontal line or which is parallel to x axis. So, this is a line which is parallel to x axis, y equal to 2. So, now we have to go for the shading process. Select a point 0, 0 and substitute it in the given inequalities. So, in all the three inequalities we have to substitute the point. First inequality, it is 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. Then this implies 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 20 and then 0 plus 0, it will be 0 less than or equal to 20. So, read from this side now. 20 greater than 0 means it is true. Now take up other two inequalities. It is x greater than or equal to 1 and x greater than or equal to 1. What is the value of x here? It is 0. So, it is 0 greater than or equal to 1 which is false. And then another inequality we have also y greater than or equal to 2. Again y value it is 0. Y greater than or equal to means y greater than or equal to 2 means 0 greater than or equal to 2 which is false. Now, for the first case it is true and for the next two case it is false. For this line it has to be towards the origin and then for these two lines, vertical line and the horizontal line, it has to be away from the origin. For this vertical line away from the origin means it is this portion away from the origin, and then again for the horizontal line it has to be away from the origin. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂದರೆ. ಸೊ for this line it is towards, for this line and for this line it is away from the origin, means for all the three lines the common region is going to be this triangular portion. So this portion is going to be the solution region. So this triangular region will be the solution region. So this is going to be the solution region. Yes, since all the inequalities are slack inequalities, so the points in this shaded region as well as the points on all the three lines are part of the solution region. That statement we have to write here. Therefore, the common shaded region, the common shaded region is the solution region, is the solution region. Is the solution region. So this is all about question number 9. So take the question number 10 as an assignment, and I'll be continuing with the question number 11 in the next class.